At LSBU, we've been delivering law in excess of 30 years, so we're very well established and we have many innovations of which we're very proud. We have an outstanding virtual learning environment with summary audio lectures and quizzes with instant feedback. We give our students free iPads and free books to support them with their studies. And of course, we're in a fantastic central location.
LSBU is situated right in the middle of London, Elephant Castle. And as a law student, you have the Old Bailey, which is 5 minutes away by bus. You have the Court of Appeal, you have the Supreme Court, you have the House of Parliament, and also you have the Lambeth County Court. So if you want to go to a court observation or see how the law works in practice, it's an absolutely fantastic place to be.
All our law staff are either qualified solicitors or qualified barristers. And that means we can make law come to life. We can apply the law to real case studies that we've experienced, and our students absolutely love that. Also, we're able to equip our students with the skills to become more employable.
I chose to study at LSBU because the university has an excellent reputation for employability. This university provides all the support a student needs to excel in a career of their choice. The working in the law module is one of the highlights for me. It is a really important part of the law course because students are encouraged and actively supported in getting placements at a variety of firms. It may be that you want to be a barrister, and in that case work experience within a chambers is encouraged. Likewise, if you would like to be a solicitor, then students are assisted in gaining those placements at a solicitor's office. The quality of teaching at London South Bank University is very high. The lecturers are either academics or they have either worked as a barrister or a solicitor, so they are really bringing their expertise to the course. You are really able to benefit from that expertise and courtroom experience.
We offer our students opportunities, for example, in the law clinic, which is supervised by one of our lecturers who is a qualified solicitor.
I think the best part has to be the Legal Advice Clinic, the interacting with clients, actually kind of knowing what it would be like in the life of a solicitor on a day-to-day basis. The Legal Advice Clinic is a student-run clinic that is open to the public to come in and obtain advice. People come in about various different issues. You don't know what's going to happen, so I think that's been a big learning curve.
Everything we do really helps the students here because we are qualified solicitors or barristers. We can train our students to moot because we have qualified barristers.
Mooting is an extracurricular activity at LSBU. Law students can argue cases in front of a judge, and this activity is designed to boost our legal skills, research skills, as well as advocacy. I took part last year in the internal mooting competition. I was a finalist and I had the opportunity to moot in the Supreme Court in front of a Supreme Court judge, which was the most fantastic experience.
In addition to our LLB, we have a range of 5 specialist law degrees. All of our degrees are qualifying law degrees, and we're able to offer these because we have the range of expertise amongst our law staff. The professional bodies for solicitors and barristers are the Solicitors Regulation Authority and the Bar Standards Board. These set the standards for the education and training of solicitors and barristers, and our law degrees meet these standards. We also offer an alternative to the legal profession, and that's through the legal executive route. We're the only university in London to offer this alternative route, and we're very proud of that.
One of the options that we have at London South Bank University is the SILEX route, which will enable you to qualify as a legal executive once you finish your law degree. So you'll be going out from London South Bank University with your law degree plus your SILEX qualification, which in these days of austerity and difficulty in becoming a lawyer or barrister, the route of legal executive is one of the third profession of the arm, and it's a really well-paid job.
I would definitely recommend this course to other people, especially law at LSBU. It's such an incredible experience, and this was the best decision of my whole life to come here to study.